Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Chanel has released 4 new shades of its iconic Rouge Velvet Allure lipstick. So I had to pick the 4 new shades. So it is not a new formula, it is nothing like that. It is literally just new 4 shades to add to their amazing collection. That means they are in total with the Rouge Allure Velvet 20 shades to choose from. And I absolutely love the Rouge Allure Velvet. I think it's my favorite lipstick at Chanel, just because it's kind of that really elegant, it's rich. In the formula itself, you've got shea butter, you've got jojoba oil, so it's super hydrating. It never leaves your lips super dry and chappy, which some other lipstick do. These are beautiful, they're super long lasting, they're comfortable to wear, and I like how they are matte but luminous. It's never looking flat or just dull on your lip, and it doesn't matter which shade you're wearing. I think it's just such a flattering lipstick. So of course I had to pick up the 4 new shades, and it's funny because my husband was sitting next to me when I was doing my online shopping and looking at what's new, what's, all the brands, and he was like, you're supposed to be making money, not just be spending money. And obviously I was like, well, just, that's what I do to make money. I need to spend money to make money. That's how it works, right? Also, don't mind too much the makeup today. It is 7:30 p.m. here. I've put the little one to bed, and obviously, well, I give her a bath every night, and she just likes to splash water all around, which is fun, and I absolutely love it. But I do have some water splash on my face, so if you see some weird things, spots, that's just what it is. Back to the lipstick. So there are 4 new shades: Luminous Matte, super long lasting, comfortable to wear, as I mentioned. We've always known Chanel to have lipsticks that are a little bit more red, like a declination and a range of red shades, basically. These are actually going outside the traditional bright red lipstick. Chanel has also released for the summer 3 new shades of nail polish. I know, called me old-fashioned, but I do like my nail polish. And I picked up the 3 new shades. They are limited edition. So you have Beach Icon that I am wearing today on my nails. Look at how pretty this is. And you've got Dazzling Artist. That is that really nice pink that has a bit of a silver glitter into it. And you have Golden Mermaid. I mean, with names like that, you can't really go wrong. And this is your coral shade that has golden glitter into it. So if you're like me, you just like your nail polish. These are beautiful, long-lasting, and limited edition. Back to the lipsticks. Let's start the swatch with number 76, Versatil. And I mean, if you're looking for the perfect nude pink, that is it. That is it. Look how beautiful this shade is. I'm gonna swatch all 4 of them on the back of my hand. Look how nice this is. Obviously, that's a few layers, so you guys can actually see the color, but look at how pretty this is. This is like your everyday nude pink that you can wear with anything. This is beautiful. This is perfection. Then we have 77, Affranchi. That's a cool tone lipstick. How good is this? How beautiful is this? This is your cool tone pink, or like a muted mauve. So nice, and you can feel how luxurious they are, how hydrating. You can see a little bit of a reflection. They are matte, but they do have that luminosity, and you feel the shea butter, the jojoba oil, because they're just great and gorgeous lipstick. Honestly, I think at some point they're gonna have to pay me to be talking so highly about their product. And then we have number 78, Inimitable. There we go. How gorgeous. This one is for my warm tone girlies. It's more of a orangey red, but they are all in that kind of nude spectrum of shade. There's no red here. It's just really, really nice everyday shade that, you know, when you wear them, you wear your lipstick and it's going to stay. It's easy to touch up. I love this shade. It is beautiful. This is like, it's a caramel. That's what it is. It's more like a caramel. And the last one, I think this is my favorite with the first one. I'm not sure, but look at how the nice fuchsia pink it is. This is right up my alley. I do love a nice, you know, natural lip, something very soft and neutral and nude, but look how pretty this is. This is just, it adds a pop of color. It's vibrant. It's, especially when you have blue eyes, I feel like a pop of color like this, even this on brown eyes, green eyes, any eye color, it is beautiful. It just adds a little bit of freshness to your face, something really feminine, and it has something bold to it. So these are the 4 new shades: matte, luminous, long lasting, hydrating, and I'm gonna try all 4 of them now. Let's start with number 76, the Versatil. That is the lightest shade. I've got my mirror here. I mean, can it get nicer than this? I don't think so. You saw how easy it is to apply. Applies like a dream. It does need a lip liner, in my opinion. I would pair it with a really nice, either Makeup Forever, the Endless Cacao, or the new Westman Atelier Biscuit, or even the Victoria Beckham, the shade 2 or 2.5. I think this would be beautiful, or even Dior. So Elf has amazing lip liners as well if you're looking for a cheaper option. Elf Cosmetic is quite close to all of the ones that I've just named. Otherwise Dior, but this lipstick, oh my god, I mean, it is perfection. It's so easy to wear. It's soft. It's very feminine. I love it. Let's go with the second newest shade number 77, Affranchi. So it is this one here. It's more of a cool tone lipstick. I like this lipstick. I mean, wear your lipsticks a little bit more like French style. You literally just apply in the center and you kind of, you know, smudge it around. So it's not a perfect straight line. It kind of gives you that already worn or like bouche mordue kind of effect, like you've been kissing type thing. I mean, how beautiful is this lipstick? I do like mine to be a little bit more structured, especially here, because I feel like sometimes it kind of loses a little bit the shape of your lips. But I really like this. And so far, yeah, I like them both. Super light, super luminous. It's literally like you don't have anything on your lips. The third shade is 78 shade Inimitable. It is the warmer caramel shade here. Let's see how this one looks on me. Sometimes if it's too warm, it's not necessarily the best look on me, since my lip is naturally a little bit more cool tone, but let's see. Oh, I really like this. What do we think? I really like it. It's very elegant, and I think if you were to wear a makeup that is a little bit more like a bronzy type look, this would be amazing. Such a good look. Like today my makeup is a little bit more cool tone, but this with more bronzer, a little bit more of that, you know, the Tom Ford, the latest palette, the summer collection. I did a full review on it. The bronze aisle, this lipstick, or even the peach glamour, this would be perfection paired with these 2 eyeshadow palette. Oh yeah, I like it. I just think it needs to have the makeup that suits this color, because this is a little bit too cool tone, but I really like it with a brown lip liner. And now the last shade is 78, 79 actually. I made a mistake, 78, 79. Last shade now, 79, and it's called Elegante. So it's that really nice, vibrant fuchsia that I really, really like as a shade. So let's go. Oh yeah. So nice, so nice. Super hydrating. I love this shade. This is gorgeous. It is a fuchsia. It's nice, it's bright, but it's not too much like all the way up there. It's still very much wearable. I think if you work into more of a corporate environment, this is a lipstick that you can actually pull off without looking like you're wearing a bright pink lipstick. I think this is beautiful. It's so elegant. That's exactly what it is. That's the name of the shade, Elegante. That's exactly what it is. I love it so much. It is beautiful. I love the luminosity. I like this shade on me. It really matches today's makeup look as well. And so if you're looking for a nice touch of pink, not too much, just really well balanced, this is beautiful. So these are the 4 new shades in the Rouge Velvet Allure lipstick, the Matte Luminous collection. I don't think I have a favorite. I think I love all 4 of them. And also, I don't know if I've mentioned, they come in that iconic case. So you have the gold case down here and the black protector, and you just press at the top to open it. And then the clasp releases. I really like this. It's very easy, and that means you're not going to lose any bits. It's not going to open itself in your bag. I like the magnetic cap, but I also really like this, the push pressure. I don't know really how you would call this, but I really like this and I love the look. So let me know, guys, what you think down below. Are you picking these up? Are you going to skip them? You know what's weird? I really thought we were going to have the new Rouge Coco lipstick here. There's new shades because the other ones, the previous shades, have been discontinued completely. I know you guys have them in the US. It's just not here in the UK or in Europe. I'm not too sure why. I was really looking forward. I like how those shades, the Rouge Coco, are really vibrant. They are a little bit more sheer as a lipstick, but I like the formula. It's that shiny, a little bit more creamy texture. I really, really like them, and they're not here. But in the meantime, we do have the new 4 shade in the Rouge Velvet Allure in the Matte Luminous. I love them. All 4 new shades. Very happy to add these into my makeup collection. On today's makeup, I am wearing on my eyes the Silk Taupe palette from Dior, the Canage collection. Black eyeliner that is a little bit messy because I was short on time this morning. The blush is the Rose Polaire from Chanel. It's the Joue Contrast, and well, the lipstick is all the lipstick that we've just tried. And I am wearing the new bronzer, the blurring bronzer from Makeup by Mario. I absolutely love it. It's gonna be up in one of my upcoming review. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty of videos like these for you. If you've been following me for a while, big thanks to you. I'm so happy you're here, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.